In 2002, we got our first research grant from the government India for the project of role of homeopathy in a diabetes.
Truth is something which is always transmitted from one generation to another through experience.
मोरिया रे बापा मोरिया रे कोयला काला है चट्टानों ने पाला है अंदर काला बाहर काला पर सच्चा है साला. And to everyone at the MLD Trust, it's such an honor to perform here in front of all of you all at this iconic venue called Fine Arts.
Especially knowing the great work that the MLD Trust has been doing. You know, लोग गांव से शहरों में आते हैं, but these guys शहरों से गली गली में अंदर गांव के अंदर जा जा के लोगों की जो मदद कर रहे हैं. Yes, I think they deserve a huge round of applause. And we are so honored and blessed that we are getting an opportunity to be here on stage to perform for you all. Let's go, let me see hands up. चिट्टू भटके ने जोरदार तालियां everybody.
There is said that आप आपका काम करो, लोग आपको जुड़ते जाएंगे. And I'm experiencing this, and I want that this is to be carried forward.
We have learned that our own growth is through serving others. And I think if that is something that can go on through successive generations, I think our world will be a happier place to live in.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Shankar Mahadevan.
The legend Shankar Mahadevan. There's nothing more than that we are able to be a small part of this amazing organization, and contributing to such a wonderful cause. And I'd like to thank my dear friend Anand Tiwari for making this happen, and all you wonderful people. We are the kind of work that you all are doing, uske samne we are very, very insignificant and small, but if our music is able to change a few lives, I think we have achieved a lot. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you for this. Yeah.